Just mix Coke with soap and you won't believe the results. This trick looks like magic. That's right, everybody. So to start today's tip, let's grate 1 bar of soap into a pan. I'm sure you guys are gonna love this trick. After grating the entire soap, let's add a small can of Coke, or about 1½ cup. Then let's also add 2 cups of tap water at room temperature. Once that's done, bring it over medium heat and mix until all the soap dissolves. Check this out, the soap already melted here, so we can turn off the heat. Okay, now let's go ahead and add more water, about 1 cup. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of salt, just regular kitchen salt. Put it here and give it a mix. Then you can add it to the pan. But make sure to add it gradually, okay? And check this out. See how the consistency is already changing? Keep adding and stirring little by little and the consistency will start changing. Look at that. Now just divide the mixture into some plastic containers. Or if you prefer, you can put it all into a single larger one. And then just cover and let it set. Also, if you want to speed up the process, you can put in the fridge. But it's not necessary, once it doesn't really take too long to set. After some time, see how it turns out. It becomes very consistent. You can just use it here, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to unmold. And folks, what we just made here is a wonderful metal cleaner and renewer for any metal pieces. That's right, everybody. So if you have dirty pens at home, metal pieces, jewelry, and you've already tried everything to clean them and it didn't work, so this is gonna solve the problem. Just go ahead and take a sponge, and then let's just get a little bit of the product. It doesn't need to be much because it's quite powerful. And now just go ahead and scrub it. I scrub it quickly here, and now I'm gonna just rinse it. And check this out. Look at that beautiful shine. It doesn't even look like the same pen anymore. Check this out. See how it removes all the burn marks? And I really like this product because besides cleaning, removing stains, it also leaves this very nice shine. So that's it. I really hope you liked it. Don't forget to try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the results.